Hope and perseverance are the key to success. Hi there, myself Abhinand, doing my third year of BE in the stream of Biomedical Engineering in the prestigious institution SNS College of Technology. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to tell a little tale about myself. I have been maintaining an excellent academic record of 98% in SSLC, 92.25% in HSC, and 9.14 CGPA up to my 5th semester during college. My profound oration and presentation skills have won me ample prizes in number of paper presentations and conferences. I have been certified in 4 NPTEL courses and have published a paper in the International Journal of Innovative Research and Technology. I've done few projects at the end of each semesters like acquisition of EMC signal, fall detection and safety, asthma detection, and finally robotic arm control using EMG signal. I've also been part of additional projects like rehabilitating locked-in syndrome patients through eye movements, and isolation of automatic waste management system, and the design of a recycle encouraging water bottle. I've got excellent proficiency in computer handling and have strong foundation in programming languages like C, C++, and Python. I am also proficient in using Microsoft Office and media manipulation softwares like Photoshop, Lightroom, and also well trained in software debugging. I'm an artist for a hobby and have won many prizes for it. This owes for the creativity and innovation I possess. I'm also an athlete, being part of SNS Tech football team. I'm an active volunteer for social activities and a regular blood donor. Have coordinated a number of events, being part of Rib Ribbon Club of SNS College of Technology. My position as the secretary of Department of Biomedical Engineering and being the secretary of the professional body Red Ribbon Club of SNS College of Technology both add feathers to my crown of leadership. I'm also an efficient team player as I've contributed for my team Tech Troopers to reach the semi-finals of India Innovation Challenge Design Contest 2019 sponsored by Texas Instruments. All these traits I possess were noted by my magnanimous institution, and I was awarded with the All-Round Performer Scholarship for the year 2018 to 19. To sum up, I'm an analyst and a reliable smart worker, and when I'm part of an organization, I'll always challenge myself for the improvement of the organization and self-development. To be short, I'm a jack of all trades, mastering one by one.
Hi everybody, I am very happy to say about Abhinand. He is very energetic, honest, with determination, dedication, and with strong commitment to succeed in his life. My best wishes to Abhinand.
Hi, I'm here to talk about Abhinand. I have been closely associated with him in most of the events which has been conducted by our department. He has coordinated so many events in the last year. I have seen leadership quality and the positive traits, and most of the time he's a guy with a lot of potential in him.
Finally, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our generous management and the hardworking team who put all their effort behind this initiative to bring out the betterment in all of us. Thank you. Cheers.